Welcome back to Alodic Ventures. Today we're in Boise, Idaho, and I'm really excited to show you guys probably the coolest neighborhood in Boise. It's in Hyde Park in the north end of Boise, and it's just a really cool neighborhood. It's got old bungalows, larger two-story homes, probably built in the early 1900s, late 1800s, and it's got a really cool neighborhood where there's restaurants, bars, bike shops, food trucks, coffee shops, and that's what we're going to do today. So let's do this. Okay, so we're going to start out over here. It's one long street. One long street. There's restaurants and bars on each side and cafes, and closer a gas station. So here is our first food truck. It's kind of like a trolley. I think that's the name of the restaurant. No, D's. Come aboard. So it's set like a trolley. And hopefully I don't violate my copyright. Already music. Okay, so here's a house that's right on the street where all the restaurants are. And here we go. Here's the next. We got wine tasting, cheese shop, boutique gifts. So you can hang out here, have a glass of wine, and cheese. Get the barrels. Okay, and then you got right here you have the Pine Needle Tattoo Collective, so you can get a tattoo right here. And what's this right here? Oh, private property. Okay, clients only. Only clients can sit here. If you're getting a tattoo, you can sit in these chairs. Okay. All right, next we have a place called the Hideaway Deli. So if you want a nice deli sandwich, this is where you go. You can sit outside on the patio or the terrace, nice and cool. All right. And next up we have a Mexican restaurant called Casa Mexico restaurant, and it looks like it's down here, so it's actually underneath the street, so it's probably nice and cool. Today is not too hot. It's been in the hundreds. Today is about 86 right now. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, in every neighborhood you got to have a hardware store, so the Fluff Hardware. Oh, it's just jewelry. Okay. All right. And everybody brings their dog. And then you got real estate. So you got houses for sale. Let's see what's. Well, they're a little expensive here. So it looks like a 2-bedroom loft with an attic. $1.1 million. Wow. Patty Cole is the agent. She's the top producer. All right. You got another one here. Smaller little house, $329,000. And then you got another house, $499.99. So basically $500,000. Okay. Moving on. Okay, so next up we have place called Hide and Seek. Looks like it has candles, probably some furniture, some plants. Yes. There we go. Very cool. Very eclectic. Got a shop called the Wildflower. Looks like they're closed right now. It is Sunday, so they're closed. Candle shop called Lit and Company. Euphoria Salon. It's closed on Sunday, but if you want to get your hair done, that's where you go. And then you have the North End Pizza neighborhood. So if you want it right here.
Take your dog with you.
I see a lot of people with pizza boxes. Okay. Breakfast place. Got a place called the Royal Cocktail Company. So if you want to have a cocktail, here's where you go. Probably packed on the weekend at night. You got a coffee shop called the Hyde Park right here. Morrow Engineering and Design. Okay. You want to have pulled pork right in here. Oh, what's this place called? Deschutes Brewery or Hyde Park Pub and Grill. Best burgers and sandwiches. There's the deck. Kind of family oriented. Oh, there's a place down here. I think it's a wine tasting. Again, this is Sunday afternoon. Not too busy. We got it's called Hyde Park Fine Wines, Boise, Idaho. So you can get a glass of white rosé for $12, Riesling $14. And there's a few bike shops here in the neighborhood. There's one called Joyride Cycles. Okay. All right. Okay. Moving on. We're going to go across the street and go down the other side. Okay. This is a cool neighborhood. All right. So up here we have homemade ice cream. I guess they call it Goody's Espresso. Outside deck here. You get ice cream cones, handmade chocolates, and you actually have a lemonade stand.
Because both shoulders, like my neck hurts, but like.
Oh, G. Willikers Toy Merchant Toys. Hello.
Hi, guys.
Hello, how are you?
Good.
How much are you selling a lemonade for?
It's a donation for my cousin that has cancer.
Oh, okay. Okay. I will come back. I have no cash. Okay. I'm so sorry. Okay. All right. Very nice. Okay, we have another bicycle shop called Town Bicycles, and it looks like they might sell beer, or you can just bring your own. Again, this is Sunday. I can't imagine what it's like on a Saturday night or a Friday night. Okay, up here we have Perilla Grill, and here's their patio. They got some big screens up there, open roof, and there's where they cook for the drinks. There's an outside, looks like there's an outside terrace up beyond. And you can get a fish taco for $3.50. It's not bad. They're probably small. Okay, next up, which I think is the coolest looking restaurant bar, called 13th Street Pub and Grill. It's probably the most modern building. It's made out of brick. And inside is a very cool bar, as you can see. The counters are made out of stone. Let's go over here, see if we can peek inside. We got a bike rack. Everybody rides their bike. Okay. Oh look, they got nice sofas. Animals on the patio, but I guess if you wait, 13 Pub and Grill, there it is. Hello.
Hi there,
Hello.
welcome in.
Just showing everybody. We're gonna come back though. We're gonna
Okay,
come
see
back.
ya.
All right. Cool little place. No alcohol beyond this point. Okay. Next up, we have a brewery called the Lost Grove, which is very cool. They got an outside terrace. Very family oriented, all kinds of ages, young and old, couples, singles, families with dogs. Well, everything's dog friendly here. So anyways, very good. Well, honey, that's the whole neighborhood. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I did it all in one take. Now we're gonna go and enjoy a beer. But Hyde Park, North End, Boise, coolest neighborhood in Idaho. It's unbelievable. I'll be coming here a lot. All right, guys. Until next time. Ciao.